Hello, good morning viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to find the equation of a perpendicular line from a given line. Okay, this question reads, the point -1, 1 lies on a line L, which is perpendicular to a line x minus y plus 2 equal to 0, and we're asked to derive the equation of this L. Before we start, let me illustrate something here. So first we have a graph like this. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. And we have a straight line just like this. And let's assume this is f of x. So any line that is perpendicular to f of x will exactly bisect f of x at 90 degrees. So suppose we have another line like this. If the angle of intersection is 90 degrees, then we say, let's assume this is g of x. Then we say that g of x is perpendicular to f of x. That's point number one. Number two, if the slope of f of x, m, is m, then the slope of g of x will be -1 divided by m. This means that slope of g of x is just the negative reciprocal of the slope of f of x. Okay, let us tackle that problem. First of all, let us write this in the standard slope-intercept form by making y the subject. So having x minus y plus 2 equal to 0, we want to take every single term to the right except y. So negative y remain, and if x crosses over, it becomes negative. If 2 crosses over, it becomes negative as well. Divide both sides by negative, we have y equal to x plus 2. So this is our equation in standard form. Observe that the slope here, which is the coefficient of x, is equal to 1. So m equal to 1 here. Okay, remember that the standard form of the equation is y equal to mx plus c. So we want to use this equation to find that perpendicular equation. So let's start with the slope. So remember that, okay, I don't have to write m here. Instead, I should write -1 over m. This is going to be our perpendicular equation. So by substitution, we have y equal to -1 divided by m is 1 multiplied by x plus c. Y equal to -1x or -x is all the same, plus c. Now all we have to find is the value of c, and we are done. And we can find this by substitution. Let us take our point -1, 1, where x is -1 and y is 1. So at -1, 1, we have y equal to 1. This is equal to -1 multiplied by x, which is -1, then plus c. 1 equal to 1, then plus c. Subtract 1 from both sides, we have 1 minus 1 equal to c. Finally, c is equal to 0. So if c is equal to 0, all we have to do is to substitute it in this equation to find our perpendicular line. Finally, y is equal to just -x because c is 0. And this equation right here is said to be the perpendicular equation or line to our original equation, which is this one. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos.